Hi everyone! Welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily. Today we're making a sparkling Christmas spider suncatcher. This unique project combines cute beads, elegant shapes, and festive colors to create a magical piece that looks amazing on your Christmas tree, by the window, or as a hanging decoration. Before we start, here are all the needed materials. Feel free to pause the video here to see the list. If you'd like to follow along exactly, you can find the full DIY kit in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Create the spider body. Use 130 to 35 millimeter eye pin, then thread the beads in this order: 1 flower bead cap, 1 round bead, 16 millimeters. This is the body. 1 flower bead cap. 1 round bead, 8 millimeters. This is the head. If the pin is too long, trim about 1 to 1.5 centimeters, 0.4 to 0.6 inches, before making the loop. Hold all beads firmly in place. Using round nose pliers, bend the remaining wire above the head into a small loop to secure the beads. Tips: stabilize with fingers. Hold the beads gently but firmly while bending to prevent twisting or slipping. Keep the loop centered. Make sure the top loop sits directly above the head bead. This helps the spider hang straight. Your spider's body is now complete. Great job! Step 2. Make the spider legs. Cut 4 pieces of 0.6 millimeter wire, each 20 centimeters, 8 inches long. Fold each piece in half to mark the center, then twist the center 2 to 3 times. Wrap the twisted center tightly around the connection between the spider's head and body. This forms 8 legs. Front and rear legs longer. Thread the beads in this order: 2 pink bicones, 4 millimeters, 1 oval bead, 8 millimeters, 1 pink bicone, 4 millimeters, 1 flat bead, 1 pink bicone, 1 flat bead, 1 pink bicone, 1 purple cone, 2 tube beads. One flat bead, 1 pink bicone, 1 flat bead, 3 tube beads, one flat bead, 1 purple cone, Trim excess wire if needed. Then use round nose pliers to curl a small loop at the end. Avoid cracking beads. Do not over-tighten the loop. Stop once the beads are snug and no gaps show. Check bead alignment. Before closing the loop completely, ensure both bead caps are facing the right direction and sitting flush against the beads. Use nylon pliers if available. They help hold the pin without scratching or leaving marks. Middle legs, shorter. Thread, 2 pink bicones, 4 millimeters. 1 oval bead, 8 millimeters. 1 pink bicone, 4 millimeters. 1 flat bead. 1 pink bicone. 1 flat bead. 1 purple cone. 2 tube beads. One flat bead. 1 pink bicone. 1 flat bead. 2 tube beads. Trim the wire and curl a small loop at the end. Tips: important. Keep both sides symmetrical. After finishing the first leg, place it next to each new leg as a template. This helps keep all 8 legs even in length and shape. Do not over-tighten the twist at the center. If the middle twist is too tight, the legs may sit unevenly or point in unnatural directions. Angle guidelines. Front legs. Bend slightly upward and forward for a natural, alert pose. Middle legs. Bend outward to stabilize the body. Rear legs. Angle slightly backward to balance the weight. Check bead order before closing the loop. Use fingers for shaping. Metal pliers may scratch or chip the beads. Fingers allow softer shaping. Test stability early. After shaping one side, 4 legs, place the spider on a flat surface to check balance before shaping the other side. Loop size matters. A tiny loop keeps beads secure. A loop that's too big makes the leg look messy or loosen over time. Straighten wire first. Before beading, run the wire through your fingers to remove kinks. This prevents uneven beading and bending. Keep extra tube beads nearby. Tube beads vary slightly in length. Mixing sizes ensures both sides match visually. Your spider's legs are now ready. It's really starting to look alive. Once all 8 legs are fully beaded and secured, it's time to shape the joints so your spider takes on a natural, expressive form. Gently bend each leg at 2 points, the middle and near the end, to give the leg a natural curve. Step 3. Attach the hanging chain. One, add the prism drop. Use a large jump ring to connect any decorative crystals you want to hang above the prism. Cut a 3 to 5 centimeter, 1 to 2 inch piece of chain. Adjust based on how low you want the prism to hang. Use a small jump ring to attach the chain to the 20mm prism crystal. Connect the top of this chain to the 2 front legs of the spider using another small jump ring. This creates the sparkling drop that hangs beneath the spider. To attach the spider, cut a 20 centimeter 8-inch piece of chain for the spider's main support. With a small jump ring, attach one end of the chain to the top loop on the spider's body. At the same time, loop the jump ring through the 2 rear legs to add stability and prevent tilting. 3. Create the main hanging chain. Measure 3 to 5 centimeters, 1 to 2 inches above the spider's legs, then cut the chain at that point. Use a large jump ring to attach additional decorative crystals, optional. Connect your main silver chain to the same jump ring. This becomes the main hanging chain for windows, walls, or ceiling displays. Tips: balance is key. After attaching all chains, Lift the spider by the top chain to check if it hangs straight. Adjust jump rings if needed. Extra sparkle. Add a few small crystal beads along the chain segments to make light reflections more dramatic. Choose the right chain length. Use a short chain for windows or car mirrors, and a longer one for walls, pergolas, or ceiling corners. Use stronger jump rings for heavy crystals. Large prisms may pull weaker rings open over time. Your Christmas spider suncatcher is now complete. Hang it by a sunny window on your Christmas tree or as part of your seasonal decor, and watch as it scatters soft, colorful light all around your room. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crystal Flare for more creative suncatcher tutorials. And as always, keep shining.